Just got back from a haircut, figured I'd make a video. Why not? Always crack.
What are you watching make a video on? I don't know. What should I? I've been planning to do this every week. I gotta make video. Oh, it's video topic.
Alright, so one thing I've been thinking about lately is okay, bravery. Bravery is mostly defined by, someone who is willing to go out of their way and sacrifice their own well-being for the greater good, or for someone else, or for whatever. Someone who is brave may not always be a good person in the ways that we may think of it. For example, I'd say Hitler was pretty brave, going against the entire world mostly, or taking stuff over, even though he was doing it for all the wrong reasons and was the worst human being ever.
That's one thing I'd like to see in Harry Potter. If J.K. Rowling were to make more books, would be just something where the good guy in the story was in Slytherin, and one of the nemesis, one of the antagonists were in Gryffindor, and he was just racist or something, and he was really brave because he felt he was going against, I don't know, if he wanted to wipe out Muggle kind because he thought they were evil. He'd be pretty brave to be wanting to go up against all of the Muggles in the world, but it's what he believed was for the greater good, so he would be being brave, so he would be maybe in Gryffindor. I don't know. This is probably a fan fiction. I could probably actually find that.
Anyways, I digress. Now, what is the symbol for bravery? Generally, it's a lion. Almost any place you see a symbol for bravery, it's usually, the majestic lion.
Even just jumping back to Harry Potter, lion is the symbol of Gryffindor, and Gryffindor is about bravery. Yes, connecting things. I can do that.
Generally, yes, we think of the lion as the symbol for bravery, but really, what makes a lion brave? I mean, even if it's protecting its cub or something, what's gonna go up against a lion, really? A lion doesn't really have to be scared of a whole lot. It doesn't really have to go up against something that it could possibly lose against.
It's just a great big animal full of muscle and teeth. There's very few things can beat a lion in a fight, or at least very few things that is going to be in the same area as a lion.
And even specifically hunting down prey. A lion is going to be going after a zebra or something that can't fight back. It's just going to be able to run away. When he catches it, it's not going to be able to do shit at all. He's just going to take it down and eat it. Alive.
I said he. Probably should be she. The females do the hunting, right? Maybe I should do more research on lions before I badmouth them in my video, but screw it! Ah!
Now, what I think should be the symbol of bravery is a mosquito. Now hear me out, okay, yeah. I know everyone hates mosquitoes. I hate mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are stupid. Mosquitoes suck.
Literally, but that's not what I meant to say. That was an incidental pun.
Chicken arms. But if you think about it, when a mosquito goes after its prey, it usually has to land on something and get the blood of something that is 1,000,000 times its size.
Same mosquito just lands on my arm and tries to get blood. It's not just gonna go and nip a little bit and go away. It's gonna get as much as possible in the amount of time that it is given.
Just one little smack, that mosquito's gone. It's dead. It's obliterated off the face of the planet. But it still lands on my arm. Because those things have got balls, man! Balls! Those guys got guts. Even if I'm sitting there and there's a cat beside me, it's more likely to land on me because those guys got balls. It could just land on the cat's back, start sucking some blood, whatever. But it lands on me. It likes my blood more, so it's gonna take the risk. It's frickin' got guts. I think one of the problems with mosquito being the symbol for bravery is I feel like a lot of people who consider themselves brave also like to consider themselves strong and powerful and mighty, like Herculean.
Herculean? Is that a word? I assume.
So maybe there's another animal or bug or something that suits that better. What's another brave animal? Like an animal that's actually brave that could maybe count for a little more muscle. I don't know. Tell me in the comments below! Do it now! Anyways, I just thought I'd make a thing. So I'll edit this, and then I'll put it on, and then I can talk, and then we can, yeah. Yep.